Hello and welcome to this video, and in this video I'll be showing you how we design our book cover primarily, and you can follow this tutorial to create your own book design, and we will do it in Canva. You can use the free version or a paid version, whatever that you have, and we are not going to use Photoshop or any other complicated software. And if you follow all the steps that I am going to tell you, then you'll be able to understand, and this is the only process that we follow when we are creating our own book designs. It's very simple and easy, and we can use this book design when we are creating listing on Amazon, Flipkart, or when we are printing the book. So let's get started. So if you want to publish and print your book, then you can easily do it. We provide book printing services and book publishing services. So if you want to publish your book, you can do it very easily. And book publishing through us is free of cost, and we have a free plan and a paid plan. So please visit our website. The link is given in the description below, where you can get to know how we can help you publish your book. And also, if you want to print your book, and we don't have any minimum print order, so even if you want to print one book or 10 book or 100 books or 1000 books, you can go to our website, you can check all the details, and you can also calculate the cost on our website. So go to kitablein.com. The link is given in the description below. So let's get started with the video. So first of all, what we are going to do here is we are going to create a design on Canva. So primarily the size is A4 size or A5 size. So we are going to take A4 size here. So what we are going to do, so we are going to go to the home, Canva home. We are going to go Canva home. And then what we are going to do, because I already have the design done for me and I have the document with me. So what I'm going to do right now here is create a design. Then I'm going to book cover. Either you can type in A4, A5. So portrait 210 into 297 so we are going to click on it, and then a new document is going to open up, and then we are going to design our book cover here. So this is the typical design. We can make it short, make it resize it and use it for A5, and definitely the typical standard size that we follow is A4 and A5. These are the two sizes that we make books, and these are the sizes that we are going to follow when we are going to create design. So this is how you can make the template here, and after that we are going to create the different designs. Right now I have around 100 designs here, so you can see all these are book designs that we have done. So this is study material, this is storybook, this is also a study material book, this is study material, and this is regarding Samved. This is a religious text. So this is how you can create different book covers here. So you can see the variation that I've created. So different types of content. These are the book designs that we have done for our customers and for our own publishing. So now what I'm going to do here is now I'm going to create a slide, if I might say. I will create it here. So right now I am going to create for identification. I've put up a mark because we publish different books. So I put up a identification mark here, that is PB3. So PB3 is a book which is called Antim Pank. So this is written in Hindi. So you can create content in any language, whatever that suits you. So this is the cover design that we have done. This is the front cover, and then we are going to do the back cover here. So the back cover is not designed, so later on we are going to design it. And again, now I'm going to create a design for PB4. So PB4 is the book name is Aryan, the author name is Aryan Raj, and the book name is Path of Death, and it's an English language book, and it has 43 pages. It's a fiction book. So now what we are going to do here is we are going to take some kind of, if you don't have any inspiration, if you're not able to figure out, then what you can do here is you can go to design. You can click here. I will just shut it, and book cover. I'll put book cover fiction. It'll definitely give you a lot of templates. This is a very good way. Canva provides you with a lot of templates. You can definitely use it, and if I want, I can use any of the template here, but make sure the images are copyright free, else you're going to have problems. So the topic, the book name is Path of Death. Path of Death, so something related to death. Then I'm going to the best thing is go to Amazon, Path of Death, so something related to that. And what do you see? The book is already created, a Path of Death. So this is the book that I'm going to launch, and the author has contacted us, and they want the book to be published through us. So Path of Death, already the cover design is done here, but we are going to do our own design here. So again, Path of Death. So the theme is very dark, grungy. The images will be dark and grungy. So we have an idea. Red, you can use the color red, green. So give it a a kind of a darker look, if I might say. So now what I'm going to do here is we can definitely take this into consideration, right? And we are going to click on this. Then I'm going to add another page here, so I'm going to click on this. So I'll have multiple options with me. I'll take all the options here. I'm going to take this. So from this I'm going to, I like bold letters, like something which is very clear, very it attracts the author. So because it is said, right, the cover is very important. People judge book by its cover. So people say, don't judge a book by its cover, but actually people do judge a book by its cover. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to have multiple options here. So right now what I have is 1 2 3 4 5. I have 5 options with me. So I'm trying to figure out, okay, which one is going to suit me. So now I'm going to take the text here, so the title here, and okay, I'm going to put the name here, Path of Death. This looks nice already. The title looks nice. And unmasking your limits. Okay, echoes from the empty house. Okay, Path of Death. I think I'm going to go with this, or I'm going to go with this. So these are the two options. I can also use this as well, Path of Death. I can reduce the size. I hope you know the basics of it, or else you can follow whatever steps that I'm using here. You can change the font size, the space between the lines and everything. You can definitely change that. So I think I'm going to go with this. And Path of Death, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to select this. I'm going to change the color to white, and the death text will be a bright, bright red. I'll use bright red, like something like this. Path of Death, little bit lighter, something like, yeah, Path of Death. And I'm going to increase the space in between. Okay, so this might be a copyright image. I'm not going to use it. I'm going to just remove this. This is a layer, grungy layer, so I'm going to keep it. The image I'm going to delete, and the author's name is what, Aryan Raj Tiwari. And I'm going to put the name here. I'm going to center align this, and Aryan Raj Tiwari. So I'm going to capitalize Aryan Raj Tiwari, center align it. The best part of Canva is it will help you with alignment and everything. So that's a great thing. Okay, so I can put it here as well. Sorry, I can put it here as well. I can center align this. Okay, so yeah. So we have it here, Aryan Raj Tiwari, and we can, it's not required. The text part is not required. Path of Death, something like this. And we have it right here. So we need a driver image. So the image, that was there already. We need a driver image here. So what we are going to do here is you can definitely go here and look for elements, or you can click on photos. You can write death. And I will make multiple copies of this page so I can experiment. You can use skull, but I think it's a little bit darker. And can we use this? Yeah, we can. Looks quite dark actually. So a little bit, not that creepy, if I might say. Not this thing. So I'm going to figure out. I'm not going to pause this video. I'm going to just take my time. You can just skip forward if you are restless. I can use this as well. Path of Death. Yeah, looks nice. Looks fine. What do you say? We can use this, and this is actually blending quite well. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to create another duplicate. Like you can click on it, click on duplicate, and I'm going to delete this. And what I can do here is I can put another image, Path of Death. I can use this image, Path of Death, and I can then again duplicate this. And I'm not going to use any religious symbol like cross or anything. Death, funeral, grief, and grave. Then I'm going to go to elements and type in death here. And most of the content here is copyright free, so you won't have, I don't think you will have any problem here. These are the stuff which is not working for me, so I'm going to go back. Dark, sad. I can use this image. Looks nice. What I can do here is I can just delete this image and then I can change it, replace it. Yeah, looks nice. Really, really nice. Okay, nice, very fancy. Then I'm going to duplicate it. And do we have another image? We can use this image, if I might say. No, this is not looking good. No, this is not looking good. And use this, but I think I like this. I think I like this, and it's a copyright free image, so I won't have any problem. Path of death. We can use this as well. This looks nice. This is not working really well. Not good. But still, I'm going to have multiple options with me. No, I think I will go with this. I think I will go with this. Path of Death, Aryan Raj Tiwari. I might change the font here. I'll change this font and I will, make it smaller. Or what I can do here is I'll change the aesthetics a little bit. I'm going to put the text here. Path of Death. Or I can path of, okay, something like this. So I don't want 3 lines here. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to remove this and take, make it small. Path of death. Oh, sorry. I'm just duplicating. It's very simple. You can just, what I'm going to do is something like this. Okay. I'm going to take this image and center align this. This is where your, designer instinct comes into place. So path of death, I'm going to, sometimes, it might interfere. So you can just lock it. You can just lock, where is the lock? Yeah, lock it. Then you can start working. Path of death. So I think I'll make it something like this. Path of, okay, so I'll unlock this, unlock, and then I'm going to use it. Then the name of the person, I'll just bring it here. I'll center align it. Path of death. Nice, looks nice. And then I'm going to crop this a little bit so it does not interfere with my design. Aryan Raj Tiwari. And yeah, so then I'm going to put another gradient. What do we call it? The gradient that we had, this thing. Gradient grunge. We call it grunge. Grunge element. Something like this. We can keep it clean as well. We can change the color. White or gray. We can see how it looks. It does not look really well. So what we are going to do is grunge, little bit grunge. We're going to change the color. Not green, to be honest. You can put gray or something like that. Then we have this with us, and then we can reduce the transparency. This is where you can reduce the transparency. Does it look good? I think I will go with the reduce the transparency a little bit. This looks nice, and I'll drag it here, and this will be the final design that I'm going to use. Again, Canva has a little bit of issue because with the new format, with the new system that they have created. Yeah, now I'm going to click on it, and I have this crunch. I'm going to create a, okay, this will be the main cover, and I'm going to lock everything in place. So I'm going to just, okay, so I'm going to lock everything in place. So I'm going to group it all together. So when I drag everything, sorry, the images, okay, I need to fix it, right? Yeah. So we need to control all, then we are going to group it. So when we move, so everything moves together. Path of Death, Aryan Raj Tiwari. So this is the book cover that we are going to go for, and I think it's pretty good. Now for the back cover, and now the front cover is done. What we are going to do here is we are going to make the back cover. So let me just show you how the back cover is going to look like. So this is the format that you can use for creating a back cover. Something, you can put the ISBN here, you can put the cost of the book here as well. So now what we are going to do here is we are going to take a sample of a book back cover. It's generic, to be honest. And now what we are going to do here is we are going to just duplicate the whole thing altogether and put it there. So let me just duplicate this altogether and bring it back here. Now I'm going to click on it. I'm going to keep it black because the whole theme of the book is black. And now I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to change the text to be here. This is what Antonio, and this is what Antonio, yeah, and Path of Death, Path of Death by Aryan Raj Tiwari, a journey, blah 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 blah. We are going to write, and we are going to ungroup this, and we are going to put this here, and change the text. Barlow. We are going to increase the space in between. About the author, I'm going to put it here, about the author. And make it small. And again, we are going to duplicate this, and we are going to bring it here. Make it smaller. 10 looks fine, because when we print the book it will be much bigger. This will be 11. We can put like 11 if you want. Don't make it too big. It doesn't look really that good. So in this situation, what we are going to do, we're going to just put it here, and now we are done. Now what we'll do is we'll group it, and price will put like $2.99, and ISBN code or the barcode that you can put here. So now we have the back design with us, which is done. So this is the front cover, this is the back cover, and looks really well. And if there is a spine, so in the book design itself, we are going to put the spine when we are printing. So when we put this book on Amazon, we are going to use this as a front cover, and we are going to use this as a back cover. So this is how very easily you can make your book design without any problem. And I have shown you step-by-step process and the whole process without any pause or anything, how we do our book design or book cover designing. I hope you found this video useful, and if you found this video useful, definitely like, share, subscribe this video, and subscribe to our channel for more informational video. And if you want to see more videos, or if you want to request a video, please definitely comment below. And again, if you want to print your book, then definitely go to our website kitablearn.com. You can definitely contact our team through WhatsApp. You can ask a question and we'll be more than happy to help you out. And if you want to publish your book for free, we have a free plan and a paid plan, so definitely go and check it out. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching this video. Take care, bye bye, and I will see you in the next video.